Welcome to the Packsure app. To begin, please download the Packsure app on your device and log in using the mobile number you registered as an order picker. After entering the OTP, you will be directed to the dashboard. Let's take a quick tour. At the top of the dashboard, you will find various key sections. New orders. This section displays the total number of new orders that have been placed and are awaiting action. Hold. Here, you can see the orders you have accepted and are ready to be packed. Processing. This section shows the orders you are currently packing. With these key sections in mind, let's move on to the order packing process. You will receive a notification when a new order comes in. On your screen, you will see two options: accept or reject. Selecting accept means you agree to pack the order. Selecting reject will either pass the order to another picker or, if you are the only picker available, it will reappear later. Once you click accept, the order details will be displayed on your screen. You will see three options at the bottom. 1. All items available. 2. Few items available. 3. No items available. These options help you indicate the availability of the products. If all items are in stock, click on All Items Available and proceed to pack the order. Select a suitable packet for the items. After packing, return to the Packsure app, enter the invoice number, invoice amount, and the number of packets used, and confirm the completion of the order by clicking Yes. You will also need to select the type of packet and provide the correct dimensions and estimated weight. Once all details are entered, click Submit. Congratulations! The order is now completed and will be visible both on the Packsure app and your partner site. Now, your order is awaiting to be collected by the driver.